Hello, all. Alright, we're gonna start off with our precipitation as usual. We got some rain showers in northeastern Maine. The rest of the northeast looks pretty dry right now. I don't see anything going on. Do have some rain showers here in Virginia, stretching along down here through western Tennessee and eastern North Carolina. And we also have some rain showers here in central North Carolina, down near Wilmington, Charleston, South Carolina. And there's a few rain showers here in Georgia. A line here. And then down here, Jessup. Got some rain showers down here too. Florida, not too much going on. We do have a couple of rain showers here. Spring Hill and Bayonet Point. There's a little storm right there in between those. There's a couple of little scattered rain showers here and there across Florida. Alabama, just got a little rain shower right there in central Alabama. Most of the Midwest looks pretty dry. Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, Iowa, Wisconsin. We got some rain though in Minnesota. Some thunderstorms here in the northwest part of Minnesota. Stretching from Elbow Lake. Got Fergus Falls, got some rain, some thunderstorms. Wadena, Detroit Lakes, Park Rapids, Vern, Black Duck. There's a whole bunch of storms here. International Falls has a thunderstorm here, and that goes up into Canada. These storms all the way up north and stretches here across Manitoba and western Ontario, and kind of looks like it goes around here into Ontario. Looks like Brainerd might get some rain showers later, thunderstorms. Also do have this kind of like, this is kind of, it looks like a front here. Goes down through South Dakota with scattered rain showers. North Dakota's got some scattered rain showers from this also. Nebraska got a bunch of little thunderstorms through central Nebraska, including McCook, Imperial, Lexington, Mullen, and then here in the very center of Nebraska, just a whole bunch of rain. And then western Colorado, we've got the same thunderstorms. Haswell, Cheyenne Wells, down here, Villa Green, and this also extends down into New Mexico a little bit, right on the state line. Benham, Clayton, and I don't see any real, there's just, this storm is out in the middle of nowhere. There's no marked or named villages really, towns. New Mexico, we also have a light little thunderstorm near Omega, Quemato, and into Arizona, Sierra Vista, Bradbury, Tucson. Got some thunderstorms. This area here, we got another couple of thunderstorms, and along the border here with Mexico, also do have some more thunderstorms, including it kind of stretches out into the very southwestern tip of New Mexico. Utah looks pretty dry. Wyoming is looking pretty dry right now. Montana, not too much going on. Idaho, or Washington, Oregon, you have some very light showers along the coast here, Washington and Oregon. California looks pretty dry right now. Get up here into Canada. Newfoundland, got this rain shower here. Fredericton, Charlottetown, Nova Scotia, got some rain showers. Quebec, Saguenay. Right here along the St. Lawrence River here, rain showers too. I already pointed out these storms. Saskatchewan, do have some scattered showers in the central part of Saskatchewan. Swift Current's currently dry. Alberta, just a few scattered rain showers here in the western and the southwestern portion of Alberta. BC, just rain showers up here in central part of BC. Near Hudson's Hope and Fort St. John. Alaska, with some rain showers here in central Alaska, then stretches down from Anchorage down the Alaskan Peninsula. We've got some steady rain here, including a little bit here over more west of Anchorage. Pretty big rain shower. Philippines, we've got our usual daily rain showers and thunderstorms. Manila's got a little bit of some pretty heavy rain there. Go ahead and get over to UK and Ireland. Scotland's got some steady rain. Pretty heavy steady rain, light rain showers in the rest of England. But most of the south of England's pretty dry, just really scattered rain showers. Bradford's got a little light rain right now, according to the radar. And this stretches from Birmingham up to Leeds, including, looks like, out here in the western portion, Bangor. And then Northern Ireland's got some rain showers too. It kind of stretches down into Central Ireland. And it looks like the Scottish Highlands have some rain showers too. Germany, we've got some thunderstorms stretching from Hamburg to Luxembourg. And then this goes down into central France. Continuing on with these same rain showers. Belarus, Poland, got a thunderstorm in Belarus. Not too much else going on in Europe, unless you want to look at Looks like Finland, Sweden. You got some rain showers up here in the northern part, and along the coast of Norway also, in the fjords. Iceland, some scattered light rain, really, really light rain showers on the western part. Reykjavik looks pretty dry though. Grunavik, nothing there. Just along in the central part of the peninsula here. Got some radar. Greenland, we can't see the storms there. So I'll go ahead and switch over to, let's see what we haven't looked at in a while. I think the air quality index we haven't really looked at in a while. So go ahead and look at that. I know some people have been mentioning smoke. These are fires here in the northwest and southern BC. And this is bringing smoke to a couple of big fires out here in Seattle. And along the state line with Oregon and Idaho, got a couple of fires there, but mostly we're concerned about these here. This smoke is going to continue to flow from a west to east kind of direction, so it's even affecting over Pennsylvania and New York. A little bit of northern, well, that's actually just pollution from Chicago. What am I saying? That's not smoke. But this here could possibly be some smoke. Mostly, though, this is, for now, it's kind of going this way. You look at the wind. It's blowing south, kind of like southwest. We do still have a couple fires up here in the Northwest Territories and Saskatchewan. I can definitely see that's a fire in that area. Or a few fires, actually. Not too much going on in Alaska. Maybe something, a fire here near Fairbanks. Go ahead and look at Europe. Southern England has some smog there in London, but I don't see anything too intense as in fires. The Netherlands got some fairly poor quality here. It's 100 AQI. The scale goes from 0 to like, I don't know, 400 or 500, something like that. So it's like 100 there. And the levels here in Washington are 163, 193, 215. Then southern BC, you get 362, 366. That's pretty high. That smoke is intense there. And then up here in the Northwest Territories, 202. Got marked with that. 301, 317. So it's pretty smoky up there. And it's not horrible, but you can tell that it's polluted here. And of course, Philadelphia is smoggy. Here in southeast Pennsylvania, 53. New York, of course. Alright, let's go ahead and switch over to temperature. I'll quickly try to zip through these as fast as possible. here. I'll go ahead and start in the northeast, work my way south, and kind of like go across the states this way. So Augusta, Maine, 66. Montpelier, Vermont, 59 degrees. Concord, New Hampshire, 66. Boston, 70. Providence, 68. New York City, 73. Buffalo, 68. Scranton, 62. Harrisburg, 71. Dover, 75. Washington, 77. Richmond, 75. Danville, Virginia. Or is that? It's kind of like right on the state line. 73. Raleigh, North Carolina, 73. Wilmington, 75. Asheville, North Carolina, 70. Columbia, South Carolina, 75. Charleston, 77. Atlanta, Georgia, 77. Macon, 77. Pensacola, Florida, 80 degrees. Panama City, 80. Tallahassee, 77. Jacksonville, 79. Gainesville, 77. Tampa, 79. West Palm Beach, 80 degrees. Miami, 79. Key West, 80. Alabama. Montgomery, 77. Birmingham, 75. Huntsville, 75. Nashville, Tennessee, 77. Memphis, 77. Knoxville, 73. Chattanooga, 73. Johnson City, 71. Bowling Green, Kentucky, 73. Frankfort, 71. Pikeville, 70. Charleston, 70 degrees, West Virginia. Clarksburg, 68. Columbus, Ohio, 68. Akron, 64. Cleveland, 71. Toledo, 68. Lansing, Michigan, 68. Detroit, 68. Traverse City, 68. Newberry, 64. Iron River, 70. Green Bay, Wisconsin, 70 degrees. Madison, 70. Eau Claire, 75. Hayward, 75. South Bend, Indiana, 68. Fort Wayne, 70. Muncie, 68. Indianapolis, 71. Bloomington, 70. Evansville, 73. Gonna go south and then head north, back north again. Kind of skipped over Alabama. Huntsville, 75. Oh, no, I didn't. 70. Montgomery, 77. Then Mississippi, Jackson, 77. Meridian, 77. Greenwood, 77. Tupelo, 75. Louisiana. New Orleans is 84. Shreveport's 86. Arkansas, Little Rock, Arkansas, 79. Fayetteville, 77. Jefferson City, Missouri, 75. Farmington, Missouri, 71. Bethany, 75. Iowa, actually, Illinois. Springfield, Illinois, 73. Chicago, 75. Rockford, 70. Iowa, Des Moines, 75. Cedar Rapids, 71. Just pick another random town here in the west. Onawa, 79. Minnesota, Rochester, Minnesota 71, Marshall 80, St. Paul 75, St. Cloud is 79, Brainerd 73, Moose Lake 77, Detroit Lake 61, International Falls 62, North Dakota, Williston's 55, Bismarck's 59, South Dakota, Rapid City 61, Pierre's 70, Brookings 75, Sioux Falls is 75, Scotts Bluff, Nebraska 73, McCook 82, Lincoln 80, Kansas, Wichita's 84, Topeka's 79, Selena's 82, Garden City's 93, Oklahoma City's 89. Then go ahead and get into Texas. Amarillo's 91, Lubbock's 88, Abilene's 86, Austin's 86, Houston's 86, Corpus Christi's 86 degrees, Fort Stockton 88, New Mexico, Carlsbad 93, Roswell 93, Santa Fe 79, Socorro 89, Gallup is 82, Farmington 89, Albuquerque 93, Denver, Colorado 88, Aspen 62, Grand Junction 91, Alamosa 77, Lamar 89, Starling 82, Wyoming, Gillette, Wyoming's 57, Du Bois 59, Douglas 62, Rock Springs 75, let's see, it is 52 degrees in Yellowstone right now. Billings, Montana 64, Bozeman 59, Helena's 61, Great Falls 61, Roundup 61, Miles City 71, or 61, I'm sorry. Plentywood in the northeast corner of Montana 55. Now we go to the other side of Montana. Eureka is 62, Kalispell is 62, Missoula is 64. Idaho, Sandpoint 68, McCall 57, Twin Falls 71, Idaho Falls 73, Utah, Salt Lake City 79, Delta is 88, Price is 80, Vernal is 84, Arizona, Phoenix is 106, Chino Valley's 89, Flagstaff 71, Page 97, Mount Trumbull 84, Show Low 70, Phoenix 106, Tucson 95, Safford 84, Yuma's 100, Nevada 106 degrees in Las Vegas, Caliente is Caliente 88, Eureka is 73, Winnemucca is 79, Wells, Nevada is 75, Oregon, Eugene's 80 degrees, Baker City 68, Klamath Falls 73, Washington, Seattle 68, Kennewick 79, Spokane 75, and California. Redding is 98, Sacramento 93, Merced 97, Bakersfield 100, Los Angeles 75, San Jose's 77, San Francisco's 57, Eureka, California's 57, Crescent City's 64. Go ahead and look at Anchorage. Anchorage 59 degrees there. Bethel is 53 degrees Fahrenheit. Prudhoe Bay 39 degrees. Hawaii. Volcano 73. Honolulu's 80 degrees. Pearl Harbor is 79-ish in that area. Go ahead and look at, let's see, Japan. Tokyo's 82. Osaka's 95. It's pretty hot there. Nagasaki's 93. Kumamoto's 97. Hot. Philippines. Manila's 84. Cebu City's 86. Puerto Princesa 86. Go ahead and look at UK and Ireland. Bradford is 59. Birmingham 68. London 68. Brighton 66. Plymouth 66. Liverpool's 64. Glasgow's 57. Dundee's 57. Inverness 53 degrees Fahrenheit. Belfast 59. Dublin, Ireland 62. Limerick 62. Cork is 62. And Waterford is 62 degrees. Reykjavik is 50 degrees. And we'll go ahead and look at the weather in Canada, the temps in Canada real quick. St. John's, Newfoundland, 55. Halifax, Nova Scotia, 71. Quebec is 64. Ottawa is 66. Sudbury, 66. Toronto, 66. Thunder Bay, 64. Winnipeg is 64. Thompson, Manitoba's 57. Saskatoon, Saskatchewan is 57. Swift Current, 57 degrees. Alberta, Edmonton, 61. Medicine Hat, 61. Lethbridge, 61. Hinton, 53. Grand Prairie, 66. BC, Vancouver, 68. Victoria, 62. Kelowna is 73. Cranbrook is 61. Wow, I can get my temperatures right tonight. Prince George is 64. Wrangell here in Alaska is 61. Kinda already looked at Alaska, but I'll look again. 59 in Anchorage. We'll go ahead and look at the cold temp in Greenland real quick. Click around in this area here. It's warmed up a little bit, relatively. This is 19 degrees I'm seeing. Yeah, so we got a little bit of a heat spell here in Greenland. Oh, I saw 15 degrees. I don't know if they can handle this heat. Sheesh, that's practically a bake oven for them there. 27 degrees Fahrenheit, 29, 31 degrees. Everyone get out your shorts. It's shorts weather there in Greenland. And I think that about covers it for temps. Um, oh, I do see a pretty strong uh, tropical storm, so go ahead and look at that. That's Dolphin. Let's switch over to the satellite so I can see it on the satellite if it ever loads. Oh yeah, it's a category 3 right now. This has traveled almost entirely across the Pacific. It's started out here and now it is tracking towards China, kind of like between it looks like yes, if we extend this line out, it's going to go up into towards Shanghai and the Yellow Sea in this direction right here. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on that. And let's go ahead and go back to temperature and end up back end up in Toowoomba, Australia. 68 degrees there in lovely Toowoomba. And I think that about covers it for tonight. I'll quickly glance at chat, see if we got any special request. Let's see here. Hi Tiffany. Hi everyone. Glad you made it in, everyone. Thank you for showing up. I really appreciate you watching. And everyone have a incredible evening and come back tomorrow night at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you.